Okay, now we're gonna make a car, and we need the things of a white paper and a pen. So first we have to make it like this to make it like sharp, then go straight like this, then we'll do like this, and then like just make it straight so we can understand how it goes, and then the hips again, one more, and that's how we go. It's easy, it's just like normal videos, just circle over here. Like we need the windows for it, so just make it over here. Just if you want to like decorate or something, just like draw stripe, yeah, like that. So like for like just wanna get sure, just make it sure like it looks like a car, and then yep, that's how we draw a car.